welcome to my channel. My name is Rebecca. Today I'm sharing with you the process to create this layout titled Merry and Bright using my Creative Scrapbook December main kit. For this layout, I'm going to do a little bit of mixed media in the background, but before that I want to layer my photo. This photo is from 2021. Every year in my hometown, they decorate the mayor's office and all the areas around, and they decorate it really pretty, so I try every year to go there and take some photos. This is from 2021, and I want to make a layout of this photo because I always photograph it but never made a layout. As you can see, I'm layering different pattern papers. I'm not cutting them to an exact measurement. I'm just using the photo as my guide and cutting it maybe a little bit longer or shorter, depends on what I want. And now I'm cutting some strips of pattern paper and mixing the designs just to create more interest and to feature all the different patterns available in the kit. In this kit, most of the papers are from Simple Stories, but also from Memory Place. They have two papers from Memory Place, and I'm mixing them here. Since I'm going to do some mixed media in the background, I distress the edge of the paper to give them more texture and to maintain this like artistic look with the background. I'm just distressing them a little bit. I always like to have my area clean, so I distress the paper and throw away the excess in the trash can. I can't work if I have my area too messy. I want to make this thinner, so I cut a little piece from the side and I'm distressing those papers right now. And I'm checking if I have the paper how I want them before doing the painting on the background. This is the main idea, so now I'm going to work with the background. For this I'm using the distressed ink. It is Bundle Sage, I believe. And I'm using a piece of transparency just to move the paint around, nothing fancy. Now I'm diluting a little bit more of paint just to add some drops here and there, some splatters. As you can see, if you don't get what you want, just place them directly with the brush. I'm adding tape only on the sides because I am not sure yet if I want to tack something under the photo, so I add tape on the sides only. I'm using the ruler to center this piece. I want to have the same space on top and on the bottom, and to align it with the paper. And now I'm going to align the photo in the middle, and after that I'm going to create a cluster. This is a tag. I'm adding it, but it's giving me some trouble, so I'm cutting it in half and just using the part with the top part of the tag. This tag is from one of the papers. I cut it, and now I'm going to add a piece of white thread. This is crochet thread, but not the thin crochet thread. It is a little bit thicker. And I always, if I don't have to remove the tag, I secure the thread in the page by adding a little bit of glue. I'm adding the title, which is the foam title. And now I'm playing with some embellishment from the chipboard pack that is from 49 and Market. I haven't added glue to anything yet. I'm just checking if I want them there, and when I'm sure, I secure them with the tape or the glue, as I'm doing now. In some of the pieces I add foam tape to create more dimension in the page and to create layers. This makes them more interesting, but I don't like using too much foam tape, so I play with the position of them so I don't have a very tall page. I don't want it to be very bulk. I'm adding some leaves. These are from the foam title pack. And I'm mixing stickers from the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, the foam stickers, and the chipboard. These are some hearts. I'm mixing hearts, stars, leaf, birds, everything from the kit. Now that I have basically my page done, I'm adding something to the side. I like how it looks right now, but I feel like it needed something, so I'm going to matte this page later in a black cardstock. But watching it now, I think that I like how it looked too only in white. I'm adding this black half circle on the top, and I'm moving the one that I had in top of the title. I'm moving it to the bottom of the title, and I'm going to add the other piece of the green frame, the square green frame that I cut at the beginning. I'm going to add it behind the heart, and I'm adding a bottom, sticker bottom there. You see the page right now, how it looks. I think it looked really nice in white, but I'm going to matte it in the black cardstock and tear some of the areas to give it more texture. I also stapled those areas, and now I'm adding some lines. I draw them with a Sharpie pen. After doing that, I was not completely pleased with how it looked because I went crazy and do a lot of those crazy zigzag or doodles. I think they look better without them, but it is what it is, and it doesn't look bad, but I like it more without that. I'm making double lines. If you don't have a sewing machine, this is a good technique you can use to add some texture, additional texture, and that look to your pages. Here is the finished layout. Thank you so much for staying with me. I hope you like and enjoy this page and it inspires you to craft. If this is the case, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more inspiration. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and if you want to see more photos, visit my blog or social media. The links are in the description box. Bye!